Okay, this is going to be page 85. We will be taking our quiz in a few minutes, so just make sure you use this to review, double check your work, and then we'll have the quiz. You won't be able to use the video on the quiz. First thing I want to do is I want to flip this whole problem over so I can get the x on the left side, then subtract 11 from both sides. So 7x is less than I need to subtract 10 from both sides. I'm sorry. That should be negative 21. Divide both sides by 7. X is less than negative 3. So on a number line, it looks like this. Negative 3 is down here. Open dot going this way to infinity, or negative infinity. So negative infinity to negative 3, soft bracket. Again, number 4, let's flip the whole problem over before I do any of the other work, including the sign flips over. Let's distribute 3 over the parentheses, or negative 3. Subtract 39 from both sides. So 3x is less than or equal to negative 36. Divide both sides by negative 3. Those cancel. Flip over. So you get 0 here, you get 12 here. So it's a solid dot going to infinity. So it's going to be hard bracket 12 to infinity. For this problem, let's go ahead and add 5 to both sides first. So I get 1/2 x is less than or equal to 6. Multiply both sides by 2. Those cancel. X is less than or equal to 12. So on a number line, you have 0 here, you have 12 here. Solid dot going left. So that's going to negative infinity. So negative infinity to 12. Flip the whole problem over first. Subtract 10 from both sides. Those cancel. That's 18. Divide both sides by 6. X is greater than or equal to 3. So on a number line, 0 is here, 3 is here. Solid dot. Shade it right. That goes to infinity. So hard bracket 3 to infinity. And then number 10, let's get the letters on the left side. So I'm going to add 5x to both sides. Those cancel, so I get 16 plus x is greater than 9. I don't know, I put an x there, sorry. Subtract 16 from both sides. X is greater than negative 7. So negative 7 is here, 0 is here. This is going to be an open dot shading to the right, so that goes to infinity. So soft bracket negative 7 to infinity, soft bracket. Number 12, we're going to distribute the 3 over the parentheses first. Distribute the 9 over the next set of parentheses. So we're going to go ahead and add those together. All right, 9x, and that's going to give me negative 11. Let's get the x's on the same side. So I'm going to subtract 9x from both sides. Those cancel. So 3 minus 2x, excuse me, because 7 minus 9x is 2x. Subtract 3. Negative 2x is less than or equal to negative 11 minus 3 is negative 14. Divide both sides by negative 2. The sign has to flip over because you divided by a negative. So on number line, 0 is here, 7 is here, solid dot going right. And that goes to infinity, so it's hard bracket 7 to infinity. Then I just want to go over a couple of these word problems that are on page 82. These weren't due today, we had already worked them. It says this thermostat must stay above 58 and below 75. So 58 to 75. So above 58, soft bracket, below 75, soft bracket. If I wanted to write the inequality, it's just going to be this, done. The parking lot can hold no more than 120 cars. It could hold 0 cars. Could be empty. Could hold no more than 120 cars. Could be full. Okay, let's make our inequality. Square bracket means I have the equal signs. Put an X in between them. Okay, the first part of the quiz will have you guys for problems 1 through 9, what you do is next on the left side of the page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is a blank, and you will match up A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. In the middle of this is a problem, so it's a big matching thing. So ask me if you have any questions about that. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.